Vision. By 2040, the agency aims to be recognized globally as an exceptional organization capable of delivering compassionate and secure custody, as well as opportunities for the personal growth of persons deprived of liberty. Mission. The primary objective is to ensure safety and well-being of persons deprived of liberty, while also providing for their personal growth, all while promoting public safety.